TV. I'm Jenna.
And I'm Amy.
Today we're going to be talking about our new limited edition holiday blends available only at edensgarden.com.
They're wonderful and you're going to love them. And today we just want to talk about each of our new holiday synergy blends that we've created and share a few DIYs from our live that we did earlier so that you can do them at home. I'm just gonna jump in and start with our sweater weather. Sweater weather literally feels like a sweater is holding you tight during the holiday season. It's warm, it's cozy, and it has these really uplifting aromas. It has juniper berry and cedar wood and cardamom within it. It's almost as if you've been baking all day. And so I would definitely recommend diffusing this before your guests come over for dinner, and they will feel as if you have fresh cookies right out of the oven. And one way that you can do that and impress them is make a fun holiday garland that we have right here. Looks just like this. We just took some twine, clothespins, some felt leaves from like a craft store, and then what you do is you take one of the leaves, and because it's felt, the essential oil is going to soak in and diffuse naturally. And you just take our sweater weather and diffuse, drop just like a couple drops of essential oil here, and then you just hang it back up on the twine, let it soak in a little bit, and then put it right back on the twine, hang it up wherever you would like the bathroom or...
Yeah, on your mantle, on your staircase.
Oh my gosh, on your staircase, on your mantle, and it will feel as if a fireplace is crackling and you're reading a book and cookies are baking in the oven. It's gorgeous.
It's really cute too.
It's so cute. It has such a cute, cozy name. I think you'll love it.
Yes. So next, we're going to talk about our Candy Cane Lane, which is just like it sounds. It smells exactly like candy canes. It's that really nostalgic, cool Christmas smell. It has peppermint, spearmint, wintergreen essential oils, 100% pure, like all of our blends. And to get you guys really excited about this, I want to show you this really simple DIY. We just put some pine cones and some cinnamon sticks in a bowl, which you can use as a decorative piece, and to add some natural aroma, we can just do 10 to 15 drops of an essential oil. I'm gonna do Candy Cane Lane. Again, this is awesome for like Thanksgiving, if you're having people over, and you can put this in your bathroom and just spread it all around.
It's perfect. It'll soak into the pine cones and the cinnamon sticks and it'll naturally diffuse over time. Yeah. And then you just want to interchange the pine cones after about a week, and then you can do a different one of our Christmas blends.
Why not?
Why not?
Switch it up.
Go wild.
So, and just a heads up on that, it does have very strong essential oils in it, so be careful if you're pregnant or have small children.
It's such a good heads up because at Eden's Garden, we really value safety. It's really important to us. So we'll always tell you if something is a really strong or hot oil ahead of time. The next one I want to talk to you guys about is our Forest Fresh. I feel very passionate about Forest Fresh. It feels like you're walking through Christmas trees and Santa Claus is just around the corner. It has Douglas fir and cypress and spruce. It's gorgeous. And also, if you happen to have allergies and you're not able to have a real Christmas tree in your house or a Christmas wreath or anything like that, this is gonna be the ticket for your holiday season. You're gonna take our Forest Fresh, and then you're gonna grab our hanging stone diffuser and just put a few drops on there, and then treat this like a Christmas ornament and hang it on your Christmas tree, and it's gonna feel like you have a real Christmas tree in your house. It's pine-like, it's earthy, it's a true Christmas tree, and it's safe for the whole family. I think you'll really, really love it.
Right, and our ceramic diffusers are naturally porous, so you don't need electricity or water or anything, and you can use them all year round. Putting these together would be an awesome gift.
That's a perfect gift. What's so cool about our synergy blends that we've created for the holiday is that you can purchase them directly on our website, just singly, or you can buy our holiday gift set. Yes, it's perfect for teachers like you were saying earlier today. It's good for your family. If someone's hosting the holiday dinner, go ahead and bring this over and they will love it.
Right, or even gift yourself with that, because you'll save money by getting all three in the set rather than getting them separately.
That's a good call. Be sure to check out our other videos that we have here, and be sure to check out our website, and we'll be seeing you guys soon.
Yeah, thanks. Bye.
Bye.